Hello, this is Grace Abbott reporting live from the Camp Hidden Meadows. We are here today to uncover the hard truth of this camp. I'm here today with my trusty cameraman, Ellie, and we are about to dive straight into the terrible secrets that lie within this West Virginia camp. We are ready to apprehend our first target. Let's go. We are here today to uncover the truth of this Camp Hidden Meadows, and we are here today to question you about your heinous crimes. I heard a rumor that you are, in fact, the Jack the Ripper. What do you have to say for yourself?
I have no comment.
I will take that as a yes. We have uncovered the first terrible secret of this camp here. We are here today to expose the secrets of Camp Hidden Meadows. Now, we are here today interviewing you because of a rumor that you are, in fact, an alien who escaped from Area 51. What do you have to say for yourself?
I am an alien escape.
You are?
I am.
Would you wish to elaborate?
No.
You don't want to?
No.
Can I feel your head to see if you're an alien?
No.
I can't?
No.
Are you lying to me? You're not an alien.
I am an alien.
Prove it.
No.
Make an alien noise. She is an alien. Our rumors were coming. Our next interviewee here. Hello. You here, as a matter of fact, you are the Zodiac Killer. What do you have to say for yourself?
That's me.
You are.
No.
You aren't.
No.
Yes or no, are you the Zodiac Killer?
Yeah.
How have you evaded the police so long?
I haven't.
You have. You've been arrested.
Huh?
The Zodiac Killer case, as a matter of fact, is not solved because Lena here apparently has been arrested for it and released and is now here at camp doing archery. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great. Now, we have one question for you.
Yeah.
Are you, in fact, a time traveler who caused the fall of Rome?
I am, actually. You figured out my secret. I think that shining light on this is really going to put some shame on my name. I think that there was a time where I could talk about this and I could spider bite. I could talk about this and I could not tear up, but I am tearing up now because I know I have to face the consequences of my actions. But
You're so brave for coming out with this and just telling us the truth. We've had a lot of people denying the facts today, but I'm so glad you're here today to be honest with us. Thank you.
okay.
Another interview with someone who previously was not very clear on their involvement with the Zodiac Killer case. Lena, we are back and we want answers this time. Are you the Zodiac Killer?
Sure.
You are.
I guess.
How have you evaded the police this long?
The police.
The police.
What's that?
Are you the Zodiac Killer?
Well, you see, I am the nighttime Zodiac Killer.
There were two of you.
Yeah,
You worked the night shift
I do work the night shift.
as the Zodiac Killer.
Sure.
Who worked the day shift?
Baby, lightning in
That
the
was,
bottle. I can't let you
That was
go
Was it
to
Ted
the
Cruz?
gutter.
sure.
And I
Hello and welcome to day 2 of filming. We are in a different location today because we are hiding out after possibly angering some of the things / people that we interviewed yesterday. Today we are over at the farm where we have also found some possible mysteries to unveil. Hello, welcome. We are here today with our first interviewees. We have heard a rumor that you are in fact a human in pig form. What do you have to say for yourself? Those are some pretty juicy details. We're here today with another interviewee for our expose on camp. Hello, we are here under the rumor that you are in fact raising these animals to be an army for you when you take over the world. What do you have to say for yourself?
That's absolutely true. Animals are a great resource in world-conquering armies. We can teach them and train them to do whatever we want. Pigs will one day take over the world. They do have some of the same organs as humans, and we've already been like experimenting with stuff like that. So one day when you see a pig as president, you will not be surprised because they will take over the world.
Heard it here. We are all going to lose to pigs. You are also, in fact, plotting world domination. What do you have to say for yourself? That was it. We are here with our next interviewee. How are you doing today?
I am really fine. Thank you for asking.
Okay. We are here to do an expose on camp. Now, we heard a rumor that you are planning to poison food to help Seth with his plan of world domination. What do you have to say?
Who tell you that? It's supposed to be a secret. I don't know what.
I cannot reveal my sources.
I can. Good.
Fanny, who will be interviewing. How are you doing today, Fanny?
Really great, Grace. How are you?
I am doing great. We're here today to do an expose on camp. Now, I have a rumor that you are in fact a robot in disguise trying to learn about humans through acting. What do you have to say for yourself?
I can tell anything. I don't want to make rumors come true or something, but I prefer no comment.
So is that a yes?
No comment.
Not suspicious, Fanny.
I know, but no comment.
I think you're deflecting, Fanny.
Oh my god. I quit.
Doing another person we believe to be part of something fishy going on here at camp. Hello. Hi. What is your name? How are you doing today? We heard from a source that you are in fact not only a member, but a time traveler who was in fact the founder of the Illuminati.
No comment. Yes. Wait, no comment. No comment.
Are you?
No.
You sure?
Definitely.
So you're not. Our source was wrong.
Why so many questions?
Why so hesitant?
Why so nosy? Where did you even get these sources from? That I was.
We need answers. We need answers. The people deserve to know.
They do not.
Are you in fact a time traveler who is the founder of the Illuminati?
No comment.
We're here today on day 3 of exposing the secrets of this camp. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, we are here today with Kendall. Now, Kendall, I have a rumor from a source that you are, in fact, a very old man who committed several war crimes in 1984. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't know. Why would you think that?
What are you doing?
No old man I know can run like that. Everyone, come to our end of our journey. We discovered some hard truths, and we figured out that this place is not what it seems. It's actually a haven, criminal minds, and monstrous creatures. And one day, they will take over the world.